Emirates 380 from Dubai pulling into the gate. I'm at the world's busiest airport with 2 runways. Virgin Dreamliner now departing. Oh, there's Kuwait.
How's this for perfect?
Great. I want to go to the bar.
Room, you couldn't have asked for a better room.
Virgin Dreamliner headed out. Up next is American.
Wow, this is incredible.
I know.
Here comes a...
Now departing is American Airlines 777-300 to Dallas, Fort Worth. Welcome to the world's busiest airport with 2 runways, London Heathrow.
Say what?
Qantas pushing back from the gate for Perth. Amazes me. How long is that flight? 17 hours? Good lineup. Pushing back for Lisbon, Tapper, Portugal.
How's the other one? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow. And as that pushes back, here's Virgin to Kennedy. Pushing back for Hong Kong, Cathay Pacific A350 1000 ULR. Swiss A220 to Zurich, and Cathay Pacific pushing for Hong Kong. Kuwait pushing back for Kuwait City. As that pushes, here is Air Canada triple. Waiting on Qantas. Going to Pearson, Toronto. Bobas. I know who's lined up. British Airways to the U.S. Okay, then get the camera ready because Qantas is up next. Aegean pushing back for Corfu in Greece. I know it's in.
Going?
Who's going?
Kuwait. Kuwait's taxiing.
Yeah, I know.
Cathay Pacific's taxiing. Oh, Qantas is third in line, I guess. Somebody's cutting in front.
Well, if he's on the run, KLM, he's on the runway. To Corfu. And a British Airways to PMI. Palma de Mallorca. Yeah.
There goes Air France.
There's only one runway. No, that's American.
No, there's an little Air France.
On the right is Air Serbia from Belgrade, and on the left is Etihad going to Abu Dhabi. Or he might be going to escape from Abu Dhabi.
There's a long queue right now.
Yeah. And there's British. Air Serbia from Belgrade. As that heads in, here's Etihad from Abu Dhabi. Crossing to 7 left, or in today's case, 9 right. I will get Royal Air Brunei departing later tonight. Here's Etihad arriving from Abu Dhabi. This is the world's best and busiest airport with 2 runways. To O'Hare. Etihad.
Here comes Cathay Pacific.
Cathay, as that pulls into the gate, here's Cathay Pacific to Hong Kong. to Kuwait City. Kuwait Air 104 Heavy.
It's good to put one corner of your phone actually on the window when you're doing it. Hold the camera still like a tripod. Just, you know, any part of it. It doesn't have to be the whole thing. Just like any piece of it.
Yes.
Oh, what's this red one, Nathan?
Now departing for Houston, George Bush's United Star Alliance livery. 777-300.
Oh, I say that's pulling in, Nathan.
Yeah. I thought they went bankrupt. Huh. They're still flying. Huh.
I told you.
Pulling in from Copenhagen. I guess they're still flying. But they don't come to LA anymore, which is sad. Now departing for Goa, I believe, is Air India 787-146 Heavy. Yeah.
Let's cross the runway.
Going to the gate from Doha, Qatar A380 after 4 heavies. Super. This is the only plane in the Heathrow, one of the only planes in the Heathrow that have a call sign Super. The rest are heavies. Going to the cargo bay. British Airways A380 heading out. BA 287 Super to San Francisco. Arrived from Jeddah. It is going to the gate Saudi 787. Saudi. As that arrives, Aer Lingus pushing out